In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Hubspot. Whether you're collecting contact information, running a survey, or just trying to boost engagement on your site, Hubspot makes it easy to create and manage forms. Let's dive in and start from the beginning so you can be up and running with your own form in just a few minutes. First things first, we need to get to Hubspot's homepage. Open your preferred browser and enter Hubspot's web address. As soon as you're there, you'll see a variety of options tailored to help you manage your business more efficiently. This is your starting point for accessing all HubSpot features, including form creation. Next, you'll need to log in. At the top right corner, there's a login button. Click on it and you'll be invited to enter your HubSpot credentials. Make sure you have them handy and input your email and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might have to complete an additional verification step, so be prepared for that as well. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the HubSpot home dashboard. With the dashboard loaded, our next task is to find the Forms feature. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is a powerful tool that allows you to find just about anything within HubSpot. Click on it and type Form. Once you've typed that in, press enter and a list of related tools and options will appear. Among the options that pop up, you'll spot Forms. Click on this option and you'll be taken to the Forms management area. Here's where the magic happens. On this page you can see any forms you already have, as well as options to create new ones. Now let's create a new form. Look for the Create a Form button. It's usually prominent and easy to spot. Clicking this will open the form creation interface. This is an intuitive and straightforward tool that guides you step by step as you design your form. You can choose from various templates to start with, or create a form from scratch depending on what suits your needs. As you delve into creating your form, think about the information you want to gather and design your form fields accordingly. HubSpot allows you great flexibility, drag and drop fields, rearrange them as needed, and select options for required fields. You can also personalize your form with branding elements or custom instructions to guide users. Once you've set everything up the way you like, the next step is to review your form. Make sure all fields are correct, test the form if you can, and ensure the submission experience works the way you want it to. When you're confident everything's in order, go ahead and publish your form. And there you have it, a seamless and effective way to create a form in HubSpot. Have fun exploring the different settings and customizations HubSpot offers, and don't hesitate to tweak things until they perfectly fit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy form building.